tracking events in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to add a festival or tasting, plan it, and log its outcome so it drives real follow-ups. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM Events from your dashboard. Events tracks festivals, tastings, and tap takeovers tied to your accounts. Each one shows its name, location, type, date, and status. So at a glance, you see what's coming up and what's already wrapped. To add one, click New Event, give it a name, set the date, and link it to the account it's associated with if there is one. As the date gets closer, open it to add details, what you're bringing, samples planned, setup notes. After it happens, open it again and log the outcome, how it went, any leads or follow-ups it created, and any samples used. Those follow-ups can link right to the account, so they show up on your My Day. Use the events list to look back too. Click any past event to see its notes and outcome, which is useful when you're deciding whether to do it again next year. The record tells you if it was worth the effort.